Like many of you, I've faced moments of vulnerability and sought peace and protection. Imam Sajjad's heartfelt prayer for health and safety offered me a path to healing and gratitude. Let me share this transformative supplication with you. It might just be the answer you're seeking. This is the prayer of Imam Sajjad when he asked God Almighty for health and recovery and sought the ability to be grateful for this health. O God, send blessings upon Muhammad and his family, and clothe me with the garment of your well-being. Cover me with your well-being, place me within the fortress of your well-being, honor me with your well-being, make me independent through your well-being, grant me your well-being, bestow upon me your well-being, expand your well-being for me, make your well-being my sustenance, and do not separate me from your well-being in this world and the hereafter. O God, send blessings upon Muhammad and his family, and grant me well-being, a sufficient, healing, exalted, and increasing well-being, a well-being from which health arises in my body, a well-being of this world and the next, and bestow upon me the favor of health, security, and well-being in my religion and body, insight in my heart, progress in my affairs, fear and reverence of you, and the ability and strength to perform the obedience you have commanded me to do, and to avoid the disobedience you have warned me against. O God, bestow upon me the honor of performing Hajj and Umrah, and visiting the grave of your Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and the grave of the Prophet's family, peace be upon them, this year and every year as long as I am alive by your grace. And accept these deeds of mine, and reward me for them, and let them be recorded with you and stored for me with you, and make my tongue articulate in gratitude, thanks, remembrance, and praise of you, and open my heart and intellect to understand the path of religion, and protect me and my children from the outcast devil, and also from the harm of venomous and poisonous creatures, and all creatures, and the evil eye, and from every rebellious devil, and from every tyrannical king, and from every extravagant wealthy person, and from every poor and harsh person, and from every noble and lowly person, and from every great and small human, and from every near and far individual, and from every being, whether from the jinn or humans, who has waged war and conflict against your prophet and his family, and from every animal that you have control over. Protect me and grant me refuge, for you guide to the straight and righteous path. O God, send blessings upon Muhammad and his family, and turn away from me anyone who harbors ill thoughts against me, and keep their deceit away from me, and prevent their harm from reaching me, and return their cunning back to them, and set up a barrier against them that blinds their eyes from seeing me, deafens their ears from hearing my mention, locks their hearts when they intend evil against me, silences their tongues from speaking about me, strikes their heads with the mace of humiliation, turns their honor into disgrace, breaks their pride, brings their necks low in humiliation, shatters their arrogance, and keeps me safe from all harm, evil, slander, backbiting, fault-finding, envy, enmity, traps, snares, and from their armies and troops. For you are the victorious, the unconquered, and the possessor of infinite power. When I first recited this prayer of Imam Sajjad, it opened my heart to a profound sense of peace and gratitude, a feeling that stays with me every day. If these words resonated with you, take a moment to reflect on how they might guide your life. Let's continue this journey together. Share your experiences or thoughts below. Your story might inspire someone else seeking hope and healing.